Hello students, welcome to online ELGA class. Today in this class we will discuss the midterm question paper. So let's get started. The first question is multiple choice questions. In multiple choice questions we have given 3 options from which we have to take one correct option. So the first question is correct blend for dash AY is. So here we can see the picture of a spray bottle. So the blank should be A spray, B scr, or C swr. So spray in spray the spr sound is coming. So the correct answer is spr and the word will become spray. Second is correct blend for dash EEN is. So here the picture of a screen. So the correct blend should be A spr, B scr, or C swr. So the screen in screen scr sound is coming. So the correct answer is scr. We will take here and the answer word will become screen. Third is what is the picture mostly about? So here you can see a boy and a girl who are planting a tree, and the boy is giving water to the tree. So when we do this while we are A gardening, B studying, or C playing. When we are gardening we do all this. So we will take on gardening. Next, fourth is what can you conclude by looking at the picture? You can see here is a picture of a boy where a boy is wearing a birthday cap and cutting a cake. Children are so excited. They are having a lot of gifts with them. So when all this happen, you can see in your home also. So let's see the options. A, when children are going to school, is this happen? Or children are sad? Or third is children are celebrating birthday. So when we are celebrating our birthday, all this happens. So the children are celebrating birthday. So we can, by looking at the picture, we can conclude that children are celebrating their birthday here. Next, fifth is noun in the sentence. Here is a sentence given, Mohan is playing. So what is the noun here? Noun is Mohan playing or is. So the noun means naming word. So here A, Mohan is the naming word. So we will take on Mohan. Next, verb in the sentence, Raman is going to Punjab. So here 3 options are given, Raman, going, or Punjab. So verb is the action word. So which action word is happening here? Going. Raman is going. So we will take on going. Next, let's move towards the next question. Part B. Take the sentence that tell what happened next in the picture. So A is some students are going for cycling. See, they have cycles in their hands and they are sitting on cycles. So they will go for cycling or they will go to sleep. Next, they will surely go for cycling. So the first option is correct. Next is the girl will study now or the girl will play now. So here a girl having books in her hands. So we can see that at next step the girl will start studying now. So we will take on the girl will study now. Let's move towards the next question. So next is C question. Take the correct sentence. So first is Richa and Meera are friends. Second is also Richa and Meera are friends. So here we can see in the first sentence the first letter is capital and in the middle of the sentence Meera is a proper noun. It is also in capital. At the end of the sentence we have put a full stop. So the correct answer for this sentence will be A. Richa and Meera are friends. A part is correct. We will tick on the A part. Next, in A part, Sunil is going to Delhi, and in second also, B part also, it's written Sunil is going to Delhi. But which one is correct? The sentence which has a capital letter in the beginning and a full stop at the end, and if there is any special proper noun is there in the sentence, so we will put started with the capital letter. Here Delhi is the proper noun, so D should be capital, so the second sentence is correct. We will take on the B part here. Next question is, fill in the blanks by choosing the correct option given in brackets. So the first sentence is dash sun is shining brightly. We know that sun is a special noun, and we use the article. The A and the are articles, and we use the article with a special noun. So the sun will come here. Next is, I have eaten dash ice cream in the morning. A, an, or the. So here also we have to put an article here. So we can see that ice cream is starting with the vowel sound. So we will use an here. C part is, my father and dash will go to market today. Here we will put a capital I or a small I. We know that while I'll is a special pronoun which we use in capital letter even in the middle of the sentence. So we will use a capital I here. D part is, there are dash boys in the park. 7 boys or 7th boys. So here the question is asking about how many. So when we use how many, we use cardinal numbers. So we will write 7 here. 7 is a cardinal number. So the sentence will become, there are 7 boys in the park. Next is, Manisha sat in the third row, dash row. So the 3 will come or third will come. So here the question is asking about where Manisha is sitting. So when we have to tell the position, so we will use ordinal number. So the third is an ordinal number. So we will use third here. So the answer will become, Manisha sat in the third row. Next is, match the same blend sounds. So we have to match the same blending sounds. So here A is written green. So here is a gr blending sound. So we will match it with the ground. Next is spoon. Here is spur blending sound. So we will match it with sprout. Truck. And here the tr blending sound is train. So we will match it with train. Next is sweep. Sw blending sound. So we will match it with switch. Last is brown. Br blending sound. So we will match it with bread. Let's move towards the next part. Here in the next part, here is, read the story and answer the question. Shopping in the mall. The title of the story is Shopping in the Mall. So we can see the picture as well. Here are 2 girls who are having bags in their hands. So surely they are in the shopping mall, or they have done shopping. So let's read the story now. Kia and Ria are friends. They go to a mall for shopping. Ria buys a beautiful doll. Kia buys a dress for her sister. They eat ice creams. Both are very happy. So here in this story, 2 girls are there who are good friends. They go for shopping together. They buy a beautiful doll, and Kia buy a dress for the sister. So they seems to be very happy. They eat ice creams also. So let's solve it and do question number 1. What is the story mostly about? So options are A, shopping in the mall, or B, shopping on road. So the story is mostly about, we can see the title also, shopping in the mall. So we will tick on shopping in the mall. Next is read the underlined word and circle its meaning. So the sentence is Ria buys a beautiful doll. Here the underlined word is beautiful. So we have to tell the meaning of the word beautiful. Looking good or looking bad. When something looks good, we tell it beautiful. So the correct answer is looking good. We will tick on looking good. Next question is, what do they eat? What they have eaten? So in the story also we can see they eat ice creams. So the correct answer is they eat ice creams. Next, who are friends in the story? So here we can see that Kia and Ria are friends. So we will write Kia and Ria are friends in the story. Next, complete the sentence. What does Kia buy? So the we will fill Kia buys dash for her sister. So here in the story also we have read Kia buys a dress. So the correct answer is a dress. Kia buys a dress for her sister. Next, G part is make sentences using the subject and the verb. So here A part is Meera plays. Meera is the subject and plays is the verb. So we can frame a sentence like Meera plays badminton in the evening. You can frame your own sentence also. Next, Sonu watches. So we can frame sentence like Sonu watches cartoons on TV. H part, answer in one or two words. First is write two whole words. So we can write any whole words. So I have written every and again. You can write your own whole words which you choose from the units you have read. Next is, do we use letter sounds to read whole words? So no, we do not use letter sounds to read whole words. We read them as we see them. So the answer is no. Third is write two proper nouns. So any proper noun. Proper nouns are the names of the nouns. So I have written Meera and Delhi. You can write your own, any name of a place, person or thing. Hope you all have understood this question paper well. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.